Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to restart your Turbotax return. First, log into your Turbotax account. Once logged in, navigate to the Your Tax Returns and Documents section. Look for the option that allows you to clear your current return and begin anew. This process typically takes just a few moments to complete. After selecting to clear your return, Turbotax will present a warning message. This message explains that all previously entered data will be permanently deleted. Carefully read this information. To proceed, you must confirm your decision. This step ensures you are fully aware of the action you are taking. Once you have confirmed the restart, you will be prompted to begin a new tax return. Select the appropriate tax year for which you are filing. You can then start entering all of your tax information from the very beginning. This fresh start allows you to correct any previous errors or simply begin with a clean slate. Before you begin, gather all your tax documents, such as W-2 forms and investment statements. This preparation will streamline the process. As you enter information, double-check every detail for accuracy. Remember to save your progress often to avoid losing any work. This ensures a smooth and correct filing experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.